Ok. 1, 2, 3.
Wow! That's cool.
Mira, alcanzas aunque tengas las patitas. Ahora, lo voy a bajar, ¿eh? Súbete, súbete. No, súbete. Así. A ver, baja tus pies. Así se alcanzas, ¿verdad? Okay, let's turn it on.
Daddy, how do you buy me that blue motorcycle? No me fui. Thank you, Daddy. Oye, no tengo la moto.
Okay, we just got a 2020 Yamaha PW or PW50, brand new motorcycle. My son here, little Fernando. We have a CRF50F somewhere in here, that little one, but it's still kind of heavy and too tall for him. So even after 2 years, we've had it for 2 years, he's always been riding with training wheels. And when I get him off, he can't reach. You see on this one, he can almost touch, and it's actually on the step there. Okay, mijo, get it off. Go forward, so you can get it off. Yeah, forward. Can you do it by yourself? Okay. I guess he can't get it off by himself yet. I mean, he's probably all about practice because we just got it. He probably rode it like 10 minutes right now. So let's start it. Try to start it yourself, mijo. Okay. I'll hold it for you, okay? See? Even a 5-year-old can start it. It's super smooth. It's really light. It's 90 pounds. The Honda is 110 pounds. And the Yamaha TTR50 is 126 pounds. It's a pretty heavy one. Okay, let me... Mijo, you want to ride it? You want to ride it?
Yeah.
Okay, let's get your helmet on. Be careful, okay? So far, he's liking it, and for his size and his weight, I think it's much better than the bike I bought him almost 2 years ago, the CRF50F. This is a 2014. We got it used in really good condition. This is 110 pounds, and the seat height is about 21 inches, 21 something. And then this one's 90 pounds, so it's 20 pounds lighter, and the seat height is about 18 inches, 18 and some change. You can get all the specs from the websites. What I like about this one is how confident he feels on it. He doesn't need me anymore. I don't have to be running, chasing him, and he can actually start it by himself. Let me get him, and I'm gonna see if he can start it right now. How do you start it up? Oh, damn, that quick? I was gonna do an explanation. It's easy, right? So this bike has an off, run, and start. So to start it, it has to be in start. And what it does, hold on. What it does is once they start it, even if you gas it, it won't go. Sounds like some sort of launch control. You have to set it to run position, and then it'll go. Okay, go. You forgot got your helmet there, but his full gear is red, so we got the full gear in red to match the motorcycle, but I guess it's okay. Okay, do some laps here. I want to see how you ride it here. Yeah, like circles, yeah. Okay. Okay, can you turn it off? I don't love the way it sounds. The other one sounds better, the CRF. I can start it up for you guys, but I mean, there are plenty of videos on YouTube as well. Oh, you turn it off, huh? Another thing that I noticed is like the weight is perfect for him, because I'm riding next to him and I see the suspension actually moving and, you know, dampening these bumps here. For his weight, he's a little over 3 feet, 5 years old, and he weighs 50 pounds even. I'm gonna start up the CRF. Mijo, come over so you can stand on this one. I want to see you standing on this one. I'm gonna start it up. This one feels heavier, better built. It feels like a more realistic bike. No, you don't have to drive it. It's okay. Just sit down. See, he's scared of this one because of the weight. Now, can you try to stand up? Yeah. You can almost reach it now. I mean, I didn't test this one on him since last year. I guess he grew a little more.
I guess I can reach it.
You can reach it now, huh? Uh-oh, I think we just made the wrong purchase. I don't think you can turn on this one. Try to turn it on. Can you try to turn it on? Oh no, it's definitely higher for him. It's heavier too. Oop. Yeah. Yeah. So the PW50 would be better for smaller kids, younger kids. It's hard, mijo. That one's a little harder. How old are you, Dulce?
10.
She's 10. I think it's a little too small for her, but not too small. It's about perfect, I'd say. Go for a ride. Oh, the kickstand, the kickstand. Okay. Now shift into second. Oh, the speed too. I forgot to speak about that. That one's much faster, more powerful. This one's just easier to use. Both brakes are in each hand. I think right lever is for the front and left is for the back. He got used to the other one, riding on training wheels. I always taught him to ride and always use both brakes just to get him used to it. One thing I don't like about this motorcycle is the way that center stand is actuated. I mean, it's easy for me to do it, but he can't do it by himself. So I mean, something as simple as just adding a regular kickstand, like a side stand, that would allow him to be able to get it and park it anywhere he wants, basically. I like that one, but not for him. Right? You can park it by yourself, right?
No.
The button. Oh no, the button's already on start. Yeah. There. How do you like it? Turn it off. Which motorcycle do you like better? This one or that one? Or the red one? Why? It's cooler, right? And it's fast? Oh. And you can reach?
Almost. Well, I like two.
Do you like both of them? Okay.
I almost reached the big one.
Okay. Drive shaft, no chain. Supposed to be less maintenance, but I mean, I don't know what they're talking about. I've never done anything to the other one besides lubing it like once every few months. So, I mean, yeah, that's what they say. Just less maintenance on that side.